Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by fitting one corner so the sheet stays taut. This prevents bunching later. Place the tucker teeth into the seam, push until you feel resistance, and keep the fabric flat. Once done, pull the sheet over the opposite corner to check tension. Make sure there is no slack along the side. You do this now so mid-process corrections are minimal, and the tool will glide easily when corners are secured. This step sets the whole tuck pattern. Now run the tucker down each long side in measured strokes. Keep a 45 degrees angle as you push to guide the fabric into the mattress gap. This reduces fabric folds and prevents tears. Every 6 to 8 inches pause, smooth the sheet toward the center, and then reinsert. This produces an even tuck. Once a side is finished, stand at the foot and visually check for lines. If you see ripples, retrace a short section and retuck to distribute tension evenly. To finish, lock the last corner and press the sheet flat. This locks tension across the bed. Test by pressing in the center. Your sheet should move no more than 1 to 2 centimeters. If it slides, loosen the nearest tuck and redistribute fabric toward the gap. If the tool snags, stop immediately and inspect the seam. A quick 0. 5-inch trim of frayed thread prevents repeated catches. Once satisfied, smooth the surface and marvel at a clean, hospital-style fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.